Hello guys, today we're going to see what happens if we increase the speed animation by passing 100 on these variables m and k in each animation function. So let's run the code. First shuffle it, as you can see it's very fast, and then start to solve. Here it takes a little bit unexpected, so here 30.87 seconds. Let's run again and let's see what happened. First shuffle, of course, then start to solve, and here as you can see the animation is not really fast. It will slow the code. So now let's delete all this function just by type pass inside of them. So let's just copy and then paste here. Let's run it without any animation. So as you can see here is instantly, because there are some operations with list in Python and these operations are very fast. Then next step is to make an AI. Thanks for watching.